Now, hello everyone. Today's video is on the topic operating system and graphical user interface. So, first of all, let us know what is computer. Computers are machines that perform specific tasks according to a set of instruction or program. The fully electronic computer introduced in the 1940s were huge machines that required a number of people to operate them. But compared to that, the computers that what we are using now are very lightweight, occupy very less space, and we can carry with us like mobile phones. Now computer works with an interaction of hardware and software. What is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical part of the computer that we can touch or feel. Okay. For example, keyboard, mouse, printer, etc. Now, most important piece of hardware is CPU, our central processing unit, or you can say microprocessor. It is also called as the brain of computer that processes the instruction it receives from software and performs calculation based on this processed instruction. Now, what is software? Software refers to the instruction or program that tells the hardware what to do. Now, it is not a physical part, but it is stored on a physical medium. Now, hardware and softwares are interdependent. That means both are complementary to each other. Hardware needs software to operate, and software cannot be utilized without supporting hardware. Now, let us know how many types of softwares are there. Basically, two types of softwares are there. We know actually one is application software and second is system software. Application softwares like MS Word, MS PowerPoint that we know, okay, in which we work actually. But the system softwares are operating system, language processors, device drivers, and utility softwares. These type of softwares are basically used for maintenance of computer. Next topic is operating system. Now, computer is a machine. It does not work on itself. It needs some instruction. Now, instruction we give or user give in the form of high level language. Now, what is high level language? The language that we understand or the language in which we write the code. Now, this high level language gets converted into low level language, that means machine language that computer understands. So it needs a software that makes the interaction between these two languages, okay, or you can say convert one language to another language. Now this is called done by operating system. Now operating system acts like an interface. The computer interprets the instruction given by the user with the help of an operating system. It is a master program which makes computer alive and help to run different applications. Operating system acts as a central coordinator between hardware and software. Now hardware provides a user with basic physical resource to work upon. Okay, now the application or utility software empowers the user to perform a variety of functions on the computer as such as solving problems, creating documents, playing games, etc. Now, why we need operating system? We need operating system for three purposes. It tells the computer means software and hardware, what to do, when to do, and how to do. So let us go through some features or functions of operating systems. Many operating systems are there like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac OS, Linux. So the functions of all the operating systems are similarly same to each other. So first work is processor management. So it is one of the most important function of the operating system. The operating system ensures that each processes or application receives enough time for the processor to function properly. It also tries to utilize as many processor cycles as possible for the real-time work. Real-time work means as we click the button, our work is done. Okay. So these are the processes rather than applications which are controlled, managed and executed by operating system. Second is memory storage and management. An operating system manages the sharing of internal memory among the multiple applications. It also takes care of the facts that one process should not consume the memory allocated to another process. An OS has to make efficient utilization of different types of memory like RAM or cache etc. within the system so as to ensure proper executive of the every process. Third is file management. A computer system uses a lot of data which is stored on the secondary storage device like hard drive or hard disk you can say. The operating systems keeps track of the information regarding creation, deletion, transfer, copy and storage of files in an organized manner. It takes maintain the integrity of data stored in these files including the file directory and structure. That means how our file is getting stored in hard drive, okay, when it is getting deleted means it keeps the record of all. Next is device management. So how do you think the peripherals connected to the computer system work? Means if you connect a printer to a computer, if you connect a speaker to a computer, microphone to a computer, how they do work? So as OS plays a very important role in coordinating and controlling various input and output devices, it receives requests from these devices, perform a specific task and communicates back to requesting process. This is the reason why we state that operating system handles input-output operation of a computer system. Next is security and protection. The inbuilt security module of an operating system protects the resources and the information stored on a computer system against unauthorized access like hackers. Okay. Next is enforcement of priority system. An operating system determines and maintains a specific order in which various jobs are executed in the computer system. Okay, that means it makes the order of the tasks that has been operated. First one task is completed, then another task will get started. Next is provision of user interface. An operating system provides a systematic user interface which facilitates and structures the interaction between the user and the computer. It can either be a CUI, you can say the full form is character user interface, or a GUI, that means graphical user interface. The last one is job control. When a user wants to run a application or program, it is mandatory to communicate the instruction to the operating system about the work to be done. Using a standard set of system commands called JCL, or you can say job control language, a user can communicate with the OS. So I hope this topic is clear to you. In next video we will learn about types of operating system. Till then, learn this topic well. Thank you.